Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use laser gate and spikes in Build and Survive Infectious Smile, and some tips on things you can do with it. Enjoy! The spikes are insta-kill, and can be activated using a lever near the spikes. The lasers are also insta-kill, and can be activated using a battery or lever near them, or if they are on the edge of another laser that has already been activated. Here I am building a random thing just to exemplify. A building like this is bad, because it can easily be destroyed if a smelling uses a bomb next to the building. As you can see, I was really right. My fun ended quickly, because a random smelling used a bomb nearby and I died. Now, I'm going to show you some constructions that can be good using these blocks. The construction I'm doing is a door with lasers in front. When I move the door, the lasers move too. For this to work correctly, it needs to be done in a corner. I recommend build an iron wall around the door for extra protection. As you can see, the only thing you need to do is move the door when a smelling is close. By the way, if a smelling is using bomb near the laser, move the door to avoid having your lasers destroyed. The next build also involves laser gate, but here you don't use a door but a rocket. You don't need to build it in a corner, but I recommend it to be safer. As you can see, it really is a very safe construction. If you know more good constructions, leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching.